Okay, so today we're going to look at the JLab Studio Wireless Headset. I needed something inexpensive, and I needed something for my son, who obviously has a small head and small ears. I did not want to go with a wireless earbud just because he would lose them and all that kind of stuff. So for our trips, I got him these, and we're going to check them out. Brand itself, I've had JLab before. I had some earbuds for myself that were wired around the neck. They weren't like individual earbuds. So I knew JLab had a pretty good reputation and good quality from my experience with those. So I went and found the most inexpensive set of headphones that I could find, and this happened to be them. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for them, but it wasn't too bad. And I wasn't going to pay something that was outrageous for a 7-year-old to use with his iPad and traveling. So without further ado, let's check them out. All right, so when you look at the box, it's 30 hours of charge time. So far, we've gotten more than 30 hours out of these. He used them for an entire week, and we didn't have to charge it once. And good thing, because I accidentally left the charger here at home when we traveled out of state. So with that being said, it is a little, I believe that's a micro USB adapter with a USB-A port on the end. You can plug this into your computer or anything that uses the USB input. So whether that be a power adapter or whatever. The charging port is on the bottom of the right side headphone, or can. This is your power button. You press and hold and it comes up, volume up and down, and it's that simple. When you first fire them up, the connection couldn't be any easier. You turn them on, it starts flashing, you go into your device and you go to your JLab, whatever it's labeled as, and connect, and you're practically connected. The pairing is super simple. My son, who again is 7, was able to do it on his own. They're pretty awesome. They do have a little flex in them. They do have a little extra slack in the wire, so in case it accidentally gets bent, it's not gonna pop that wire off. And these wires are not your thin wires. If you can see that there, it's an actual flat band wire. Okay, so it minimizes the pull out. So if you have little wires that are the super fine wires, let me see if I have some here. The super fine wires that you normally find on headphones are easily pulled out and broken. But these are flat, good and strong, nice flex. They're kind of stiff, but you know, you won't feel them up against your head or anything. The cans themselves have a nice little padding on them. I would say that's at least an inch thick. So there's no pressure, no tightness on your skull. Pretty basic design, pretty simple. Obviously you can pull the headphones down further if you have a higher crown, and you can compact them as well. So if you look at this, that's my fist. That's how small they get, so perfect for kids. If I go all the way out, just to show you the opening again, there's my fist, and don't forget you have the ability to open them up. Sound quality is awesome. I actually like them. I would buy myself a set if I didn't already have some. These are pretty good. Now they are not noise canceling or anything like that, so you're kind of stuck with your standard headphone. But again, for travel, for kids, for quick iPad connectivity or iPhone activity connectivity, you should be good to go with these. I would highly recommend them.